Hello, tutor and partners. This is my biography. I am Mabel Cristina Rios Angel. I was born in Valparaíso, Antioquia, of December 23rd. I am administrator of pathology laboratory, and I am studying radiology technology and diagnostic images. I like to run. I like to ride bicycle. I like to travel with my friends and travel with my family. I like to go to the stadium. I live in Belén with my mom and my two sisters. She is my mom. Her name is Maria Victoria Angel. She is 50 years old and she is a person optimistic, is polite, and she is a strong character. She has dark eyes, very long and curly and dark hair. She is short and she is fat. She is my sister Lorena. She is 26 years old. She was born in Jericó, Antioquia, of 29th of November. She is a pharmacy auxiliar and she is a person very quiet and polite and happy. She has dark eyes and very long, curly and dark hair. She is short and she is fat. And she is my younger sister. Her name is Laura Marcela. She was born in Jericó, Antioquia. She is 22 years old and she is a person happy. She all time smile. Her hair, she is long, curly and dark hair. She is dark eyes and she is tall and skinny. Thank you so much.